Have you ever told a small lie, thinking it would not matter? Just one sentence, just one moment, just one small mistake. But sometimes even the smallest lie can grow into something much bigger. A lie that slowly changes your life. Today's story is about a small lie that changed everything. A peaceful town wakes up with a soft light of morning. Daniel, a hard-working student, prepares for school. His parents believe he will become very successful one day. Teachers trust him because he is always honest and responsible. Daniel never imagined that one small decision would change his life. The school announces the start of final examinations. Students everywhere are busy studying late into the night. Daniel feels nervous about the mathematics exam. No matter how much he studies, the formulas confuse him. Fear slowly begins to grow inside his mind. Daniel sits at his desk surrounded by books and notes. The clock shows midnight, but he is still studying. His eyes are tired, but his mind is full of worry. He keeps thinking about the difficult math exam. Eventually, he falls asleep with anxiety in his heart. The next morning, the classroom is silent and serious. Students sit quietly waiting for their question papers. The teacher slowly walks between the rows. Daniel's heart beats faster as the exam begins. He opens a paper and immediately feels nervous. Daniel reads the first question carefully. The problems look harder than he expected. His confidence slowly disappears. Sweat forms on his forehead as he looks at the clock. He begins to panic inside. Daniel notices something lying on the floor beside him. It is a small piece of paper with math formulas written on it. The formulas are exactly what he needs for the exam. He quickly looks around the classroom. No one seems to notice the paper. Daniel hesitates for a moment while staring at the paper. His mind reminds him that cheating is wrong. But fear whispers that failing would be worse. He slowly bends down and picks up the paper. In that moment, Daniel tells his first small lie to himself. Daniel secretly looks at the paper during the exam. The formulas help him solve the difficult questions. His answers begin to fill the page quickly. No one in the room notices what he has done. The exam ends and Daniel quietly leaves the hall. Weeks later, the school posts the exam results. Students crowd around the notice board. Daniel slowly walks forward to see his marks. To his surprise, he has a higher score in mathematics. Everyone around him begins to celebrate his success. Teachers congratulate Daniel for his excellent performance. His parents proudly share the news with relatives. Friends ask him how he studied so well. Everyone believes he earned the success honestly. But Daniel knows the truth behind his marks. At first, Daniel tries to forget about the lie. He tells himself that the moment has already passed. But every compliment makes him uncomfortable. The lie slowly becomes heavier inside his heart. He begins to feel ashamed of himself. One day, the teacher announces a math competition. The school will send its best student to participate. Everyone expects Daniel to represent the school. The teacher proudly writes Daniel's name on the board. The entire class applauds loudly. Daniel forces a smile while everyone celebrates. Inside, he feels deep fear and pressure. He knows he is not truly the best student. The lie has created expectations he cannot meet. His confidence begins to disappear. Students from many schools gather in a large hall. The atmosphere is serious and competitive. Daniel sits quietly with a question paper in front of him. The exam begins and silence fills the room. Daniel reads the questions and feels completely lost. This time there is no small paper on the floor. There is no shortcut to help him. Daniel struggles to solve even the first problem. Minutes pass while his page remains almost empty. The truth becomes painfully clear. Daniel realizes that the lie has taken away his confidence. He understands that success built on cheating is fragile. His mind is full of regret and disappointment. The exam ends and he leaves quietly. A heavy silence follows him home. That evening, Daniel sits alone in his room. He thinks about everything that has happened. He can continue hiding the truth forever, or he can face the consequences honestly. After a long moment, he makes a decision. Daniel walks to his teacher's office after school. His hands are shaking with nervousness. He slowly explains what happened during the exam. He tells a complete truth about the paper. The room becomes silent as the teacher listens. The teacher looks at Daniel calmly. Instead of anger, his voice is gentle. He explains that everyone makes mistakes in life, but honesty is what truly defines a person. Daniel feels a great weight lift from his heart. Daniel's exam marks are corrected later. He loses his top rank in mathematics. Some people feel disappointed about the result, but Daniel feels something much more important. He feels free because he chose the truth. A small lie may look harmless in the beginning, but lies slowly grow into heavy burdens. Honesty may feel difficult for a moment, but truth always brings peace in the end. And sometimes one honest decision can change everything. If you enjoyed this powerful life lesson story, share it with someone who needs this message today. Thumbs up sign like the video. Speech balloon comment your thoughts. Bell subscribe for more inspiring stories. See you in the next story.